and then it gets naturally decomposed. Okay, and moreover, this also tells us that this tiger is using this pathway as its territory marking. So, the scat of the tiger and then the scratch of the tiger, usually the tiger will do the potty and they'll put the mud on top of it. So this is one of the way where the tiger is saying or claiming that this is my territory. So if any other tiger comes here, so they will smell this and they will get to know that this is somebody else's territory, I shouldn't go inside. If the intruder thinks, okay, I can challenge and, take his territory or her territory, they usually mark on top of it or right next to it. Kind of an invitation that I'm going to take your property. So this is how the, communication usually happens. हमारे जैसे उनके पास language नहीं है, so that, they can speak and talk, लड़ाई करते हैं, झगड़ा कर लें. But ऐसा नहीं होता. Usually ये chemical signs या फिर indirect signs में आके वो हमेशा उनको बताने की कोशिश करते हैं कि what they are up to. And अब जब भी वो आपस में मिल भी जाते हैं तो they show kind of a display called lateral display. अपने आप को बड़ा बना के दिखाना. तो उसमें भी अवॉइडेंस होता है, फिजिकल कांटेक्ट नहीं होता है. तो उससे भी अगर आके पार हो जाए, आई मीन जो इंट्रूडर है, जो चैलेंजर है, नहीं जा रहा है, then they go into the physical contact and fight with each other, because fighting is a very last stage what the predators do, because दोनों को भी खतरा हो सकता है, दोनों भी आके कमजोर हो सकते हैं, किसी को भी आके चोट लग सकती है. अब जब चोट लग जाएगी तो फिर वो डियर्स को खा नहीं पाएंगे, अब खा नहीं पाएंगे तो फिर वो मर जाएंगे. इसके वजह से मैक्सिमम अवॉइड करते हैं. It's like that, and this also tells that the presence of the animal here. Not necessarily when we go for the research in the jungle, no, these are called indirect signs. जरूरी नहीं कि हमें आगे जानवर देख के ही डेटा रिकॉर्ड करना है. We also look for all these indirect signs, and we get to know a lot of information, like if you take the hair samples and go into the lab and check what kind of diet it is in. तो जब मैनिटर टाइगर हो जाता है, जब लोग क्लेम करते हैं कि मैनिटर टाइगर हो जाता है, तो इसमें इंसान का बाल देखने की कोशिश करते हैं. Okay, only then that will be declared as man-eater. Otherwise, by just looking at the tiger, we will never know whether if it is a man-eater or not. Okay.
And
So this is how.
a tiger feasting on a human once doesn't make it a man-eater. Right?
No. It has always been considered as the accident. Correct. So it should be more than 2 or 3 kills. Only then the NTCA will declare this as a man-eater tiger. That's what the law says. But it depends upon the region to region. एक भी मार दिया, प्रेशर डाल दिया MLA पे, या फिर MLA जाके फिर फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट को बोलेंगे कि नहीं